I'm Kezia. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Today we're gonna do a marble cake. For this gluten-free marble cake, we need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, vanilla, milk, and butter, eggs, and cocoa powder. You can also put some chocolate cakes. Yum, I love them. In the giant bowl, we're gonna mix everything together. Don't forget to soften the butter. Now we're putting the flour in the bowl. We put baking powder and salt. After we melted the butter, we're gonna put it in the giant bowl. Now we're putting the eggs. Now the milk. Now the sugar. I love sugar. Now put some vanilla. We have to put it in the tap. It smells so good. Now we mix everything together. After mixing it with your hands, you can use the electric mix. I'm using the tool. This is the result after doing it with the hand mixer. It's time to put half of the mix into the silicone. Now we put some cocoa into the remaining mix. No, with the other. That's one. And that. It's like this, it would be so hard. Now I put some cocoa inside the cake. Now it's time to put the cake in the oven for 25 minutes. It's very dangerous, so my parents are helping me. You can do it. You can do it too. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this cake. Bye! See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.